Hello my friends, it's Christine here. Happy Friday, Monday, Sunday, whatever day you're watching this, happy that day. Yes. Welcome back to the channel my friends. I'm so happy that you're here today. If you're new here, I create content to help you craft a budget-friendly, beautiful decor life on a budget. That's the main thing, on a budget. I know sometimes you may be watching us YouTube content creators and we may be using an item or a product or something, and we may say it's listed in my Amazon storefront and that link is down below. And you may ask yourself, what exactly does that mean? Where do I find that Amazon link? But anyway, today I'll be doing something totally different. I'm not crafting. I just felt that I needed to share this with you just so that some of you who've been asking the questions, where do I find this Amazon storefront, or even haven't gone to my Amazon storefront, I'll just like to share that with you today and to just give you a little walkthrough. Now, some of these items that I'm sharing, items that I've used myself on my channel doing projects, my DIY projects, or have purchased for my home, and I'll just walk you through some of those items inside the storefront. So whether you're looking for crafting tools, paint brushes, home accents, fun Amazon finds to add to your creative space, or even gifts for family members. Yes, Father's Day is coming up shortly. For your home, you'll find all of that in one place. I will also share finds with you. Like Amazon sends me emails every day. I will share with you finds that you can look at to see whether or not those will be fitted for your home, or you may be interested in to do your own DIY projects. You'll never know. But for full transparency, all the links that I share in my Amazon storefront, I may earn a small commission from those links, but at no extra cost to you. And that small commission does help my channel so that I can create beautiful content for you going forward. Now, my friends, without further ado, let's head over to my screen and I will give you that walkthrough of exactly where to find everything inside my Amazon storefront, and to give you a few ideas on how I've used some of these stuff, right? So let's go. All right, so here we are on a video, and this is the viewer's view. I'll show you how to get to my description box from here. So you click on that more in the far right corner, and then it takes you to my description box. And then I'm gonna scroll down to where my Amazon storefront link is. And then I'm just going to click on that. There it is right there. I'm just gonna click on that. And then that opens up the Amazon storefront, and this is my Amazon storefront, my friends. So when you click on that link inside my description box, this is what you will see. And here are how I have categorized or organized the different items in my storefront. So now let's click on the crafting tools. That glue gun there, I got that to review a few weeks ago. I'm using that in my videos, and that is also linked here. And then we have our miter share. I've had this for a few years. I also use that. And then this is the Hardell tool mini cordless toolkit. I love this thing so much. I use this quite often in my videos. It allows me to pierce holes in wood rather than using staples. You know, when you're making your signs and you need to have holes, I use that. And this is the HTV Runt heat press. Got that to review a few years, and I linked that there. And that overhead light, ring light, I use that in my craft. Now these are camera bundles and lighting bundles. I place them here because I intend to use those at some point in the near future. So I linked them there so I can remember them. And that ring light, I purchased that, didn't use it, and sold it back. And now we have our stickers and stencils, transfer stickers, chalk paste, and paints. And these are some rub-on transfers or rub-on stickers that I purchased over the months. Next we have some bee silk stencils and this paint brush set. I had got this to review a couple of months ago. I love these brushes so much. Then down here we have glue sticks, Gorilla glue sticks, bamboo strips, more stencil stickers, activated wood burning paste, more bee ribbons, molds, more stencils, iron-on stickers. Yes, those are iron-on stickers. And then we have paints and pastes and more stencils. These are the plastic stencils. This one right here in the welcome, those are the plastic stencils. I use those to make outdoor porch leaners because these are a little larger. And then more stencils, and this is all about stencils, my friends. I have listed in this section I have purchased over the years. I've used them in my crafting and I've linked them here. And let's move to the next section, which is my personals. That is a slow cooker that I purchased in December or at the beginning of the year, because we have been in a lot of meetings, my husband and I, and when we get home, we sometimes have to cook or we have to eat out. So with the slow cooker, what that does is help us to cook meals in advance, leave them in the refrigerator so we can have ready to go meals to eat when we get home at 8 or 9 o'clock in the evenings. And then I have my tripod. That was a product sent to me for review. The coffee mug warmer, that was also something that was sent to me for review. I have that on my desk at my office. That is a water jug. When I fill that up with water, it lasts me for the entire day. And that next backpack is something that was sent to me for review, and I love that backpack so much. I can just throw my stuff in there and I'm good to go. And then this is the crafting essentials. Over in this section, I have all my tools, my miter box saw. I use that a lot too as well. And this beaded car seat cover, guys. Now, who doesn't love wooden beads? And I put this, I haven't purchased this yet, but I put this here because look at how many beads you can get for just $26.99. And the beads are finished. You don't have to paint if you don't want to paint. It's just very easy to go. All you need to do is just snip them apart, store them in a container, and you are good to go. And I placed this here because this is something I plan to get in the future. And then we have ribbons, hot glue gun, wood glue gun. That's the one I'm currently using. I need to replace it because it's all messy. It has done its time. And then I have some more wooden beads, mini heat press, more more glue sticks, miter share, and more beads. And over here is all my crafting essential stuff. Molds, letterboard. I had purchased that when I was doing a lot of craft shows. I needed to display the name of my company, so I purchased that so I could use the letters, and it's felt, so you can just stick the letters in the little place holders and you're good to go. You can use that if you're having a party and you need to just display the name of the party or whatever you need to display on that little letterboard. You can use that. So that was the purpose of me purchasing that. And in here I also have my golden maple paint brushes. Got that to review. Love those. And bamboo strips, wooden strips, modeling clay, more molds, and so on and so forth. Next up is the home decor essentials, and in here I have wooden knobs. I have a 720 piece nuts and bolts kit and some throw pillow cushions. We have cushions for outdoor chairs, and these are what I have in my home decor essential. I do intend to add a little more, but that's it for this collection. So now let's jump over to my email. This is one of the emails, and we're gonna select this one here because it's talking a lot about summer, and it says gear up for summer. We have outdoor must-haves, lawn and garden must-haves, create your own outdoor oasis, all of that. I'm not going to click on all of those, just to show you a few of the items that are listed here for seasonal favorites. Now this is an igloo or cooler, and I really love it. And then over here we have a inflatable portable hot tub. Look at the price, my friends. Now if you are somebody who is looking for a portable hot tub, go for it, right? Go for it. Love it, but not the price. And down here we have more seasonal favorites. I'm not going to click on all of them. I will leave the link so you can explore on your own. I love this little pot over here. Not going to click on it anyway. But I'm just showing you guys the link that I receive, or links I receive in my emails ever so often that Amazon sends, are filled with lots of goodies, lots of favorites, somebody's favorites at least. So you can just explore, click on the links, explore. If you see anything there that you would like to purchase, go ahead and do so. Now over here, we're back in my storefront, and these are my journals. I have 2 journals on Amazon, a gratitude journal and a prayer journal. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed that quick tour of my Amazon storefront and found something new that will spark your creativity or give you an idea of how you can decorate your space this season, or even a gift for a family member. Remember, I said Father's Day is coming up, and you don't want to be that one who did not give dad a gift. All right, so make sure if you would like to bookmark that page so that you can come back to it, because I'll be adding new finds every now and then, and you don't want to be left behind. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, like, and if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. I would really appreciate that. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which was your favorite find, whether or not you enjoyed the tour. Until my next one, stay safe, stay crafty, and I'll catch you then. Like my mustache? Catch you then, bye. And there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative projects like these. And tap that notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Need more inspiration? Click right here for other fun DIYs. Happy crafting, stay safe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!